Hello Baker Buddies! Welcome to URC Flourish Pilipinas Baking with Experts. Today's lesson is about mixing. May epekto ba ito sa ating finished product? Kung undermix pa o overmix na ang dough? Sabayan natin si Vien sa pag-bake niya ng double chocolate loaf bread.
Sa mixing bowl, mix together white sugar and evaporated milk. Sip together URC sampaguita soft flour and cocoa powder. Isalin ang flour mixture sa mixer. Add the evaporated milk mixture, margarine, vegetable oil, and chocolate chips into the flour mixture. Haluin hanggang incorporated. Sip URC Globe First Class Flour, skim milk, and bread improver. Isalin ang flour mixture sa mixer. Ilagay ang yeast and mix for 2 minutes at low speed. Sa isa pang bowl, mix together water, sugar, and salt. Add the whole egg, then mix until incorporated evenly. Ihalo ang water mixture sa flour mixture and mix for 2 minutes using low speed. Add the shortening when the dry ingredients are hydrated. Mix for 1 minute. Mix for 5 minutes at high speed or hanggang maging smooth at elastic ang dough. Gawin ang window pane test para ma-check kung fully developed na ang gluten. The protein in flour are called gliadin and glutenin. These two proteins, when combined with water and mixed or knead, form an elastic substance called gluten. Undermixed dough. Una nating mapapansin sa undermixed dough ay sobrang rough ng texture ng ating dough. And pag window pane test natin to, ay nagbe-break siya. Dahil ito sa undeveloped gluten. Ang fully developed na dough ay nai-stretch ng sobrang nipis. Overmixed dough. Instead of elastic, nagiging sobrang stretchable ng dough natin. Because glutenin and gliadin lost their ability to cross-link. Scale the dough into 400-gram portions. Then let it rest. I-scale ang chocolate filling sa 100-gram portions. Roll out the dough into a rectangle. I-spread ang chocolate filling. Starting from the top edge, roll the dough into a log shape. Cut down vertically at i-twist ng 3 beses. Place the dough into baking pan. Paalsahin ng 90 minutes or hanggang magdoble ang size. I-brush ang proof dough with egg wash. Bake at 150 degrees Celsius for 23 to 25 minutes or hanggang maging golden brown. We have here double chocolate filled bread. Ang isa ay gawa sa undermixed dough, fully developed dough, at overmixed dough. Unang mapapansin natin na ang breads na gawa sa undermixed dough at overmixed dough ay may maliit na volume, dense at matigas. Undermixed dough. Ang gluten niya ay hindi na develop ng maayos. There won't be enough structure for the yeast to expand properly. Kaya hindi umalsa ng maganda ang ating dough at nagresulta ito ng maliit na volume ng ating breads. Overmixed. The gluten structure are broken. The gluten is weakened. The dough loses its shape, which is pag binake natin, hindi niya nare-retain yung alsa niya at form. Gluten is responsible for gas retention. Gluten form the structure of the bread. Without proper gluten development, your dough will not rise and form correctly